Anybody got any underage girls we can... Vroom, vroom.
How disgusting. Steve.
Yes.
Are you going to tolerate that kind of behavior?
No, I'm not going to tolerate it.
So what are you going to do about it?
We're going to fix the problem.
Fix it.
The restaurant is closed.
Stand up.
Yes, sir.
You've seen everybody in this business over the last 2 years fall based on that kind of behavior. You need to protect every female customer, every female member of staff. That's the responsibility of an owner. That man is a liability.
Keith, you're fired.
Okay.
We can't tolerate that here.
I'm definitely not the only person in that kitchen who jokes like that. We all do. But I was just the one that was caught, and that was very embarrassing.